Welcome everyone. Step 10 today. It looks like it's basically we're going to be building a depth gauge and then mounting a couple of, maybe two axles. Nope, just one. Okay, so do need, I'm going to ask, we're going to get our handy dandy tool. They include most of these sets. Then C10, upside down. C10 times 2, that's these. C12 should be, yep, that one. Oh, and 11 and 12, all right. P5 times 2 and P10. That's not that one. That's one of these. Ended up being one of the longer ones. That's too long. Yeah, here we are. I think it's a 75 mil. Yeah, 75 mil shaft axle. I'm not sure what. Ooh. Since I got this handy dandy one bag that the spring came in, I'm just going to use it to contain these little yellow doodads because they always go everywhere. Just dump you guys in there. All right. Do need 2 of those before I put them away. All right, so y'all gonna come later. Step 1. Seems like that should be, no, it is that way, okay. It does go in like that. Like that. Oh yeah, and I'm not sanding this one because it's just a, what do you call it, this just turns out to be a depth gauge. It's not something that's going to actually be on the model. Get them to go down. Okay, and this guy slides or not. Oh, okay. I was looking at it upside down. Okay. That, and this goes. Okay, hang on. I see what I've done wrong here. Maybe. No, the picture has it going that way. Guess I don't want to let go now. Put these back on there. That thing ain't moving. Well, that's irritating. Okay, got it. Maybe I should. There's some more of that veneer coming off. Okay, so actually, given that situation, I will sand the sides a little bit. Okay. Let's see if I can get these to, yeah, I'll just do it that way because I think that, even though the picture shows it the other way, this seems to work better. Okay. Everybody in. Nice and firm. All right. Now, according to the skies, just that, well actually, that goes on there, and we force it there, and that gives us the proper measurement. I'm supposed to do it on both sides? No, because I got to put the wheels on them. Okay. W1, the one with the cog on the back. Goes like so. And we get the other P5 on here. And that holds it on. Excellent. It is supposed to be flush with the end, which is, yeah, there we go. That forced everything into place, and it's focus. There it goes, sort of flush with the end there, so it doesn't stick out any. And that's all for that step. That's it. Okay. I was for some reason I was expecting more from that. How much is on? 11's got a bunch of steps to building another one of these things for 11. I think we did these on another one I did. They're handy. It's a whole lot easier than trying to do it by hand to hold the thing in place and put the peg in and then figure out the proper depth gauge. So I do like these, but it just seems like an awful lot of work to get one peg in place. But that's just my opinion. I say it sort of goes both ways, I guess. Alright, so that's a reasonably quick one for this build. So thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.